memory. Lightning disappeared after battle with Orphan, but she's living somewhere in the future. She's out there. Time will separate us, but we'll share a common goal.
Hope dreamed of changing the past. The weight of history drove him forward. But now, he's turning to face the future. A future even more frightening than the past. From Valhalla's heart, I could track the entire span of time.
Searching for the pain inside of us. Everyone's scared, but somebody knows. You push it aside, that's how it goes. If
You'll be okay. I'll keep you safe.
Lightning.
A rhythm for the songs we're too afraid to sing. Nobody here is perfectly fine. A delicate frame, a fragile design.
I'm so sorry.
There's a hole in your heart.
I was chained down by past sins, unable to move forward into the future. For me, there is nothing. There is no hope. It's up to you to keep hope alive.
Lightning?
Yomi, you are alive. Thank you. You'll be reunited with Lightning.
Nothing's bigger than love. All you need, all you need, all you need is love.
Lightning.
You're growing up. I felt a whirlwind of emotions.
You're the reason I'm standing here.
A large part of it was happiness, and relief was there too.
I'm really glad you're safe.
Just listen. Staying alive, I can help you with, but I can't.
You can't take back the words
My
you
pact
wish you
that
never said.
I would remain in Valhalla and carry out the will of the goddess.
You hold up your hands and
But why? You can't do this.
Smile right before you fall and leave aside
I'm sorry.
this
You can't just
drastic
abandon me.
consequence. Somebody said that life isn't
I won't
fair
abandon you.
when somebody else was
I
saying
won't.
a prayer. If there's a hole in your
You've been looking for Lightning too all this time.
Yes. For me, it's as if time has stopped. Everyone I knew is gone. You all disappeared from my life. It's been 10 years now.
Find her.
Nothing's bigger than love. Oh, nothing's bigger than love. Love. Nothing's bigger than
Why?
love.
You can't just abandon me.
I'm sorry. Forgive me.